Today we're up the Great Smoky Mountains National Park at Deep Creek Campground near my hometown of Bryson City, North Carolina. And we're going on a 3 waterfall hike. Now this is a nice easy little hike the whole family can enjoy, and it's maybe like 2 miles round trip. So we start off by going right up here to Juney Whank Falls. Come along with me and experience the Smokies with a born and raised Smoky Mountain Hillbilly. We'll start at the Deep Creek Trail parking lot. We will go up the hill to the Deep Creek Horse Trail, on up to Juney Whank Falls, past the falls to the Juney Whank Trail, down to the Deep Creek Trail. From there, we will travel a short distance to Tom Branch Falls. Moving on past Tom Branch Falls, we will cross a bridge and go up a slight hill until we reach a point where Indian Creek empties into Deep Creek. We will then go up a hill approximately 200 feet and then down the trail to Indian Creek Falls. Now, Juney Whank Falls is only 3/10 of a mile. It's got a little bit of a climb, but nothing anybody can't handle. Now you can see the trail to Juney Whank Falls. It's a nice little wide trail, no problem navigating. Now this is the trail that goes down to the Juney Whank Falls. If you want to see the waterfalls, you go this way. If you want to go taking a hike and you don't want to go see the falls, go up this way and it just loops around, comes out on the other side of the waterfall. So either way you're going to go, you're going to come out to the same spot. From here, you get your first glimpse of the waterfall. Now, Juney Whank Waterfalls is the highest of the 3 waterfalls. It consists of an upper and lower part for a total of 90 feet high. We cross over the bridge and up a slight hill till we come to the Juney Whank Trail. Okay, right here the trail splits. Now if you go around this way, it'll be about a 2-mile hike. It'll take you on up to the Indian Creek Falls. However, today we're going down this hill and it's going to take us back to the trail along the Deep Creek. Now as you can see, the trail is pretty steep, so this is one that you want to go down and not up. And it's only 3/10 of a mile to Tom Branch Falls. Okay, as I come down the trail from Juney Whank, it's only 2/10 of a mile to Tom Branch Falls. And now we come to Tom Branch Falls. Now Tom Branch Falls are 60 foot high. Now the walk up to Indian Creek Falls is a nice leisurely little stroll along Deep Creek. Here we cross over the bridge and up a slight hill till we come to the point where Indian Creek flows into Deep Creek. And now it's just a short distance up the hill. Now finally, we come to Indian Creek Falls. All we have to do is go down this little trail here The Indian Creek Falls are 25 feet high. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed today's little adventure. And please join us again for the next Smoky Mountain Hillbilly show. Thanks for watching.